Uy, nag-expect. Si Rad pa rin to. Today, let's talk about attachments to annual ITR. As per RMC 20-2026 Part 5, makikita natin ang mga required attachments sa ITR, and these are the followings. First, filing reference number or FRN. This is proof of filing kung EFPS filer ka. Second, tax return receipt confirmation mula sa email. This is proof of e-filing kung EBIR forms ka naman. Third, proof of payment. Kung sa bangko kayo nagbayad. And acknowledgement receipt of payment naman kung through online payment channels. Fourth, Certificate of Independent CPA duly accredited by the BIR. Kailangan nito pag magsasubmit kayo ng financial statements. Kailan nga ba kailangan mag-submit ng audited financial statements? Kapag ang annual gross sales mo ay lalagpas ng 3 million. Unaudited naman kapag 3 million and below. Notes to AFS, duly signed Statement of Management Responsibility, BIR Form 2307, kapag nag-claim kayo ng tax credit, kailangan nyo to i-attach. BIR Form number 1606. This is applicable sa mga land developer or real estate industry. BIR Form number 2304 kung applicable sa inyo. BIR Form number 2316. Kung ikaw ay may business at employed at the same time, ikaw ay mixed income earner. Kaya kailangan mong i-attach ang BIR Form number 2316. System Generated Acknowledgement Receipt or Validation Report electronically submitted sa South through this email. Sana'y nakatulong ang RDO 33 sa inyo. Please like and follow our page. Thank you.